Big things don't start big, they start brave. Welcome to Say It Raw. We often wait for the right time, the right money, the right people before starting something. But what if now is the right time? Every big dream you admire starts small. Apple started in a garage. Amazon started in a tiny room. Great things are not born ready. They grow into readiness. Sometimes we use "I am not ready" as an excuse to delay our potentials. The truth is, progress starts when you stop waiting for perfect condition. Like and share this video. Someone out there is sitting on a dream because they are waiting for everything to line up first. What do you think about this? Is fear of failure stronger than the desire to start? Follow Say It Raw for more. Bye for now until we meet again. This is Say It Raw.